how to find the missing term if the average is given. So let's try this example. So number 1, we have 15, 8, 14, and 17. What is the fifth number if the average is equal to 13? So meron tayong 2 ways to solve this. The first one is by using this formula. So the formula for average is sum of terms divided by the number of terms. So let's use this the formula for our first solution. So we have how many number of terms? We have 4, and then what is the next number? So total, we have 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the missing number. So given, the average is 13. So let's substitute to the formula. So the average is 13. So we have 13 equals sum of terms. Let's add this, the 4 numbers, and then the next number, let's put variable x. Okay, so we have 15 plus 8 plus 14 plus 17, and then divided by 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pang 5 yung x. So lagyan natin ito ng plus x. Okay, so now solve for x. So to solve for x, first step is we remove the denominator 5. So to do that, we multiply both sides of the equation by 5. So multiply both sides of the equation by 5. So that we can cancel the denominator. 5 times 5, that is equal to 1. Or simply cancel that. And then we have 5 times 13, that is equal to 65 equals. So let's add these 4 numbers, 15, we have 8, and then 14 and 17. So 5, 8, and 7, that is equal to 20. And then plus 4, so we have 24. So the sum is 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum is equal to 54. So we have 54 plus x. Now, solve for x. So put 54 to the other side or simply subtract 54 to both sides. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 65 minus 54 is 11. So therefore, the missing number to get the average of 13 is equal to 11. Okay? So that's the first solution. So another solution, we can use the dagdag bawas method. Okay, so let's try the other solution. So burahin ko muna. Burahin ko na muna ito. So yung other solution, ito yung ginagamit ko kapag magkakatabi yung number. So we have 15, 8, 14, 17. Ito yung hinahanap natin, itong 11. So i-arrange ko lang yung 4 na numbers. So we have 8, 14, 8, 14, 15, and 17. So, ang average daw natin, ay 13. So, dito ko ilalagay yung 13. So, nandito yung 13 sa pagitan ng 8 at 14. Okay, so para maging 13 yung average, ibabalance lang natin. Ilalagay natin yung nasa left na tong 13, yung mga kulang sa kanya, tapos yung dito naman sa kabilang side, ito naman yung mga sobra. So, ilan yung kulang nitong 8 para maging 13 siya? So, para maging 13, yung 8, kulang to ng 5. So, meron tayong negative 5. Okay? So, negative 5 dahil nga kulang siya. Dito naman sa nasa right side ng 13, positive naman ito. Yung mga sobra sa 13, yung 14, ilan yung sobra niya sa 13? We have positive 1. 15, ilan yung sobra sa 13? We have positive 2. And then, yung 17, ilan yung sobra sa 13? Subtract lang 17 minus 13. So, we have positive 4. So, dapat balance yung left and right dito sa 13 natin. I-add natin itong tatlo. Ang sum nito, 1 plus 2 plus 4, we have positive 7. Okay? Positive 7. Kailangan itong nasa right natin, negative 7 dapat yan. Okay? So, negative 7 dapat yan. Pero dahil meron lang tayong negative 5, so dapat, yung isang number natin dito ay minus 2 dapat, minus 2 dito sa 13. Okay? So, kung minus 2 sa 13, so 13 minus 2, the answer is 11. Para balance na sila, negative 2 minus 5, that is negative 7. And then we have 1 plus 2 plus 4, we have positive 7. Ayun, balance, positive 7, and negative 7. So, hindi na natin kailangang mag-add, multiply ng mga numbers. So, ito lang yung gagawin nating technique para makuha natin yung missing number. Okay, so i-try natin dito sa number 2. Unahin naman natin itong dagdag bawas. Okay, so at saka natin gamitin yung formula. Okay, so let's try dito sa number 2. The dagdag bawas technique. So, i-arrange ko lang. So, meron tayong ganun din, no? 4 numbers. Hinahanap natin yung pang 5th number. So, ayusin natin. We have 20. And then, we have 20, 22, 20, 22, 25, and 33. Given, ang average ay 25. So, ito yung average natin, 25. Okay? So, ito yung basehan natin, 25. Diyan tayo magdagdag bawas. Given yung number, eksakto dito sa 25. So, yun na yan, eksakto na siya. So, ilan yung kulang sa 22? Para maging 25, kulang ito ng 3. So, negative 3. Yung 20, ilan ang kulang para maging 25? Kulang siya ng 5. So, negative 5. Ilan naman ang sobra ng 33 sa 25? So, subtract lang natin 33 minus 25. That is equal to positive 8. Okay, so parang eksakto na. So, we have ang total netong dalawa ay negative 5 minus 3, negative 8. So, tapos, itong kabila, eksakto na siya, positive 8. So, ibig sabihin, since balance na sila, negative 8 and positive 5, ibig sabihin, yung x natin, yung panglimang number natin, wala na tayong i-add or isa-subtract dito sa 25. So, ibig sabihin, yung panglimang number natin ay eksaktong 25 din dapat. Okay? So, 25 din. Bakit naging 25 din? Kasi nga, balance yung left side sa 25 ay negative 8. Sa right side naman, 33 minus 25, positive 8. So, balance na ito. Parehas na negative, positive, parehas 8. So, therefore, ang missing number natin ay 25. Eksakto siya. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple using the dagdag bawas method. I-verify natin kung 25 na ang tamang sagot using the formula. Okay? So, verify natin using the formula. So, ang symbol ng average ay x bar equals summation of x over n. Substitute natin ang average natin given 25 equals, i-add natin itong 4, tapos itong 25 hindi pa natin alam, lagyan natin ng x. So, we have 22 plus 25 plus 33 plus 20 plus x. Okay? And then, i-divide natin sa 5. Okay? So, multiply both sides of the equation by 5. Or simply, itong 5 dadalhin natin dito. Yun yung shortcut. 5 times 25, that is equal to 125, equals, i-add natin itong 4 na number. I-add natin yung 4 na number. So, pa-vertical lang gawin natin. 22, 25, 33, and 20. So, 2, 5, 3, that is 10, carry 1. So, we have 5 ito, 5 din ito. So, eksakto 100. So, therefore, we have, ang sum nitong 4 ay 100 plus x. Solve for x, subtract 100 to both sides. Ayun, eksakto na yung sagot natin. Subtract 100 to both sides, cancel na ito dahil 0 na yan. Therefore, the fifth number, the value of x is 125 minus 100 equals 25. Yun, eksakto. So, same answer using this technique, the dagdag bawas, tsaka itong using the formula. Total over sum of terms, yung total na sum nila, tapos divided by the number of terms. So, yun yung formula ng average. So, itry nyo naman itong number 3. Find the missing number, 44, 37, 55, 52, and 63. Ano yung pang-anim given the average is 48? So, comment nyo ang inyong sagot.